Hello fellow business owners, thanks for tuning in to the Grow by Joe show. In this video I'm going to talk about how to get an easy business loan, and more importantly I'm going to talk about how easy it is, what you'll need, and more importantly how to do it quickly. Over the last 10 years, there's been a lot of innovation in the business loan space. You may have heard the words alternative lending or fintech. Basically, there's been a ton of lenders since 2008, 2009 that have really innovated and really improved and made the process fast and easy for getting business financing. The issue is that there's a lot of different lenders out there. You do a Google search now for a business loan, a million different lenders will come up. And the challenge is that all those lenders have different guidelines, will need different things, different requirements that may or may not make sense for your business. So navigating through that is really what the challenge is. What's really cool though is today, those lenders have made it really easy. But it's just super important to be able to work with someone that can explain those different options, the different lenders that are available, and get you to the right one that's going to make sense for your business, your industry, your credit profile, and then the loan size that you're looking for. So as I mentioned, lenders look at everything from your personal credit to your business credit. Yes, there's a business credit, to your industry type, to even where you're located in the country, to your gross annual sales, to your cash flow, to how much money you're keeping in the bank. All these things get looked at, but I'll explain what are some of the minimum things that you'll need to get a business loan easy, and then I'll let you know exactly where you can go to get that done and make it happen. There are lenders that will work with you less than that, but a good rule of thumb is being in business for at least 1 year. If you've been in business for 1 year, that's great. More than that is awesome. So personal credit is important, but if your credit is challenged, there are lenders out there that will work with business owners that have extremely challenged credit and really focus on the business. And then there's lenders out there that are really meant for people with perfect credit, 700 plus. And then there's lenders out there that work with people with excellent and perfect credit. A good rule of thumb is you're going to want to be doing at least $120,000 in gross annual sales. The higher the sales, the higher the approval amount. Typically, lenders will lend anywhere to 10 to 15% of your gross annual sales, just to give you a good rule of thumb. So if you're doing $500,000 a year in sales, you'll probably get approved anywhere from $50,000 to $75,000. Lenders will also look at how much money you're keeping in your bank account, and they'll look at your cash flow and the consistency of it. So the more money that you can keep in your bank account, the better. So what you'll need to apply. We've made the simple for applying for a business loan really easy, hence the title of this video. But really all that you'll need today, we've simplified the application process. We've gotten rid of unnecessary paperwork. We've got it down to one simple digital application that you can literally fill out on your phone or via email. If you've been in business for 1 year, you're doing at least $120,000 a year in sales, the process can be really easy. I've actually created a company called National Business Capital and Services, and that company has a platform that we created that has over 75 lenders on it. We've eliminated unnecessary paperwork, made it one simple application. We can auto-connect right to your bank account, so you don't even have to send us your bank statements in. But what we're able to do is a few things. One, you can call in and speak with someone, and they can tell you about all the different options that are available today. Again, we have 75 lenders on that platform, and every lender has different guidelines, different loan amounts that they'll go up to, different credit requirements, different industries that they work with. As a business owner, you can shop around from lender to lender and get fatigued. Knowing which lenders and the guidelines is really like a full-time job. So we've taken that job on to make your life easier. If you're looking for a business loan and you want to make the process easy, you can check out the link below and check out my company. You can apply there. If you meet those minimum requirements, like I mentioned earlier, 1 year time in business, 120K in annual sales, we'll absolutely be able to help you. You can call in, you can speak with a team member, and they can go through any questions that you may have about the process. So if you've met those requirements, that's great. You can apply at the link below, and you can speak with one of my team members, and they can talk about the different options that are available and answer any questions that you may have. If you're not quite there yet, there are a few other options that may be available that we possibly can help assist you with. If not, we can also talk to you about what are some things that you can do to help grow your business and get you to the point, of financing. So the reason why we created my company is to really help business owners grow through financing in a number of different services. Check out the link below. We'll help you get to where you need to be if you're not there yet, but if you are there yet, we'll make the process easy, simple, and fast so you can get your business loan and get back to growing your business. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. I appreciate you watching my videos. I hope they're helpful. Please comment below about anything that you'd like to hear about or any comments about this video. I'd love to hear from them. And make sure you subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Talk soon. Take care.